Welcome guys. Let's do Superfarm token technical analysis and price prediction. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Current rank of Super token is 237 and price of Super token is $1.06. Market cap of Super token is $427 million. Fully diluted market cap of Super token is $1 billion. 24-hour trading volume of Super token is $50 million. And circulating supply of Super token is 402 million. Maximum supply of Super token is 1 billion and total supply of Super token is 999 million. All-time high of Super token was on March 31, 2021, about 9 months ago, and price was $4.73. All-time low of Super token was on June 22, 2021, about 7 months ago, and price was just 27 cents. It is available on Binance, Uniswap, KuCoin, Coinbase, and if you want to buy this token on Binance or KuCoin exchange, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description where you can find this link, Binance exchange link, and this is KuCoin exchange link. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you can deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free. You can total grab $9,180 bonuses if you open your accounts with my affiliate links. So click on these links and register your accounts. And after first deposit, you can claim these bonuses. These bonuses are tradable. Trade with this bonus only, and this is a risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. This is Superfarm website. NFT thrive here. Superfarm is a passionate community building at the intersection of NFTs and DeFi. A growing NFT ecosystem. A host of tools for the NFT worlds. These are the tools, and here you can see apps for the crypto community, recent announcements, global community. These all are technical information. Please visit this website by your own. Let me please show you first chart. This is Super USD pair 4-hour chart, and current price of Super is $1.05. Currently it is in this falling wedge pattern, and it is a bullish pattern. After hitting this trend line several times, price bounce back. Here you can see, here you can see, and here you can see. No, price again bounce back. Price have to hit $1.20. Once price cross $1.27 price area, this horizontal resistance, in that case $1.45 is our first target and $1.84 is our second target, beginning of this falling wedge. Technical target would be this beginning of this falling wedge. And let me please show you some support levels. These white lines are horizontal resistance lines, and these blue lines are support lines. Here you can see, if price drop from here, in that case next support is at $72 price area, 54 cents price area, 35 cents price area, and 26 cents price area. And these are our levels to trade. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Here you can see candles are trying to break this EMA ribbon towards upside. After breaking this EMA ribbon, which is at $1.15, candle have to break this upper trend line and this horizontal resistance. This box area is very important to break, this box area. Once candles broke this box area, in that case price can hit $1.45 and $1.84. Otherwise, if it break towards downside, in that case 72 cents and 54 cents are our next targets. We have to watch these targets very carefully. And let me please show you second chart. This is Super USDT pair daily chart, and it is in this falling wedge. Currently price is at $1.05. This is upper trend line and this is down trend line. If price break this towards upside, in that case our target would be this area, $1.75 price area, beginning of this falling wedge. After that, 1.99 and $2.18, these are coming targets. If unfortunately price break this towards the downside, next support zone is at 74 cents price area, 53 cents price area, and 36 cents price area. We have to be very careful, and you have to watch this area, $1 price area. Once it break $1 price area towards the downside, in that case maybe price can go down to 74 cents, 53 cents. And let me please show you daily EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon is very strong and it is at the same point where this horizontal this trend line exists, and this is also a horizontal resistance area, this area, and that is why this box area is very important. Here you can see, and this area is very important to break. Once candles break this area, in that case these all are overcoming targets. And if price rejected from this zone and if price break this downtrend line, in that case maybe price can go down to 74 cents, 53 cents price area. Let me please hide this EMA ribbon and let me please show you CPR levels. Let me please remove this box. Here you can see these are main CPR lines. These are main CPR lines, and unfortunately candles are below. And next bearish target is this zone, same zone where support level exists, 74 cents price area, and second bearish target is this area, 34 cents price area. If in any case price bounce back, in that case price can face resistance in this area, which is $1.28 price area, and this is resistance area because of this CPR level. And once candles break this area, $1.55 price area, and close candle above this, in that case this will turn into support, and after that price will move like this, and after that it can hit these targets, and these are coming targets. First monthly CPR target is $1.81, second monthly CPR target is $2.47, and third monthly CPR target is $2.88. But for these all targets, it must have to break this box area, and it should have. Once it broke this box area, in that case definitely price will move towards upside, otherwise we may see some sideways action. Let me please remove all these drawings and let me please hide this indicator, and let me please show you some fib levels for trading. Let me please arrange this chart. Currently it is holding this golden pocket 0.61, which is at $1 price area. This level is very important to hold. If super token price hold this $1 price area, next target is $1.23 price area, which is 0.5 fib level. After that 0.38 fib level, which is $1.46 price zone, and after that $1.73 price area. And if price break this area, 0.61 fib level, next fib level is this area, 69 cents price area, and it is very bearish target, 70 cents price area. After that 50 cent, it is also very bearish target. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section or description where you can find these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration and after first deposit, you can claim these bounces. These bounces are tradable. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is a risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.